All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to some more Stormworks. Build and rescue. There's a fishing boat that is in distress. Obviously, there's a storm and a bad storm happening right now. So we are continuing on our adventure. We're getting low on fuel. 2,200, but it's a fishing boat. There could be like 7 or 8 people to save here. Spawn that. Let's see what I have. Let's see. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take that. All right, and then we'll spawn this again. It's kind of within our range, sort of more towards the maximum of our range, depending on where it is. The search area is quite large. Like if it's on the other side of the search area, we probably won't be able to get to it. But I figure it's worth a try. Why not, you know? It is really windy. Six people would be really cool. That would bring us to 14. Yeah, 6 people would be really cool. Oh, there's a wave coming in. I think I see the boat over there too, actually. This is going to be interesting. See, I can see it. I don't know if that's their boat. Yeah, that's the boat there. Oh, it could just be a rock. Maybe that's just a rock. I guess we'll find out. See if there's a wave coming in and you're not close enough for it to spawn the boat, you just want to stop. Let the wave do what it's going to do. It'll push the boat wherever, but the people won't spawn. And then it's wow. This is. Oh, that's the boat that I tipped over that I'm supposed to repair. Oh yeah. Oh boy. So what I'll do is I'll crank this back a little bit here. Oh, I hear the music. It must be close. I must be close to the trawler here. Let's crank that right down. Oh, is that it over there? No, that's the dock, isn't it? Wow. These waves are massive. I'm surprised I came out here. Holy moly. Well, we're here to do a rescue. Wait, the music stopped, didn't it? There it is. There it is over there. All right. Oh, it's not so bad when you go with the sea. But now to get them from their boat to this boat, oh boy, this is going to be exciting. Hopefully we can rescue at least a couple. Wow, these waves are massive. Whoa. So I'll have to be careful going back to... Wow, these are massive waves for this little boat. Wow. Hope it don't capsize. Must be a storm, huh? No, not even a storm, just a mission. Well, let's see what we can do. 3. Okay, that's not bad. 3 we can do, hopefully. Wow, that's a big ship. Holy, and I gotta get close to it and try and rescue 3 people. Oh, there's a person in the water. Yeah, person in the water over here. Oh. Whoa, graphics. Okay, it was just that person in the water. Just that person. Oh, there's another person either in the water or there's water getting in. Okay. Wow. And it's on fire. Okay. So let's see. Wish me luck, lady. Hopefully I'll be back with your friends. All right, fire's out. All right, now where is this person that's drowning every time the ship goes down? Oh, I wonder if they're down in the bottom. Oh yeah, there's one. Oh, and the other one's gone. Okay. All right, sir. Let's see if we can get you back. With the missus there. This boat's going down. What a rescue, my goodness. So I'll put you there. It's gonna be all right, you two. Sorry about your friend, he didn't make it. Let's get out of here, though. Holy moly. Yeah, just crank the engine right down, so you're still kind of moving. Try not to hop the waves too much. Oh. That's a rough little area. It must be deep. Must be deep here, but it sure gets windy. Wow. I'm surprised. Like, look at. I should not have come out to take this rescue in this little boat. My goodness. Whoa. Just with the wind and the seas, it's not a good combination. Oh, we got plenty of fuel. Plenty of fuel. Those are big waves. Those are the nasty ones. Holy moly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, game's slowing down. That's all right. It's probably just a wave working its way through or something. Holy moly, talk about fighting the oceans. I must be just barely keeping up to whatever it is. A wave or something. Who knows which way it's going. Well, I don't think I'll be going out on another adventure like that with this kind of wind. Cheapers almost lost it there a few times. Wowee. Well, that'll bring us to 10. We're halfway to the 20 points we need. And then I'll be able to go and get fuel at least. I mean, I can do it now, like I say, but we may as well get down to the nitty gritty. Only 1,400 left. Like we can only do a couple of rescues, and that's it. Couple rescues, and that's it. We might have to get fuel sooner rather than later. Got a decent amount of money though. Holy cow. This will be what, another 6? Right, we got oil. We're just waiting on the pump technology. And then I can create a crude oil rig that'll give us enough fuel that we can continue on. Yeah, but because they changed it. They changed the way drilling works now. I think anyways. My understanding. So these, the platforms that you find here on the land, you only need one section of pipe for, because it's the wellhead that does the drilling. I think. I'm not too sure. I'll have to confirm that, but in the ocean, you just had to touch the ocean floor with the wellhead, and so long as it had slurry, it would drill a hole. You didn't need to put additional pipe into the well. So I think when it comes to Being on land, you might just need one section of pipe to go into the wellhead, and that's it. But I'm not sure. I'll have to figure it out. So, like, if that's the case, that's going to save us a lot of money in the costs. All right, so that mission is done. We could almost... It's a kilometer away. That's a good hike. Let's go for a good hike here, and then... Nothing can get us, so... I want to see if you got to buy the oil rig, or if you can just plant it. Like, how much does it cost? All that stuff. Yeah, I mean, my experience with building and that, we're going to need at least 100 grand minimum for the oil rig. Maybe less, but at least 100. I don't know, we'll see. It's just without the big pumps, it doesn't make any sense to have big tanks, because the small pumps can only do so much. You basically have to double or triple your capacity. And the wellhead, the main pump on the wellhead, pumps a lot at a single time, and I just don't think. I don't know what it would work out with the other pumps. Is that a bunny rabbit? I think 3 was enough. 3 was enough to keep up to it. Yeah, there's the platform there. Okay. I mean, yeah, if we do it with regular pumps, it's going to be so slow. Oh, just like that. You just walk up to it like it's a workbench. Create structure. Boom. Hey, I can put my boat on it. Cool. A new vehicle. So I have oil. Yeah, I mean, I could build a crude, because you don't need the wellhead. It comes with a wellhead. So let's see here. Let's see. I'm not going to get into this right now. This will be probably next video. I think that's right. Is that right? Yeah. So it comes with a wellhead. Oh, really? Oh, you can't. Oh, I see. Cannot move it up and down. All right. Gotcha. So that right there is just above the wellhead. So that's where your pipe would be. So if I went off of here, where does that rest? Just like that. There it is. I see, I see. So you could either use this or you could build on top of it. We'll probably build on top of it and just have a lip here or whatever. I don't care. So now what we have to figure out is, looks like that's going to be this side here. The back side. The back side. It's going to be this side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll say 13. Like that, and then probably presets. Where is it? Container. So we've got one. So we would have to have oh, I don't have access to any of that stuff yet. Oh, that's right. Okay. Gotcha, gotcha. This is all we have access to. That's it. So we're gonna need like winches and. All right, let's go back into here and let's save this as. Land oil rig base. All right. Then we can exit that. Then we'll go back to map. Set that as our waypoint. So we're going to need. Where is it? Advanced fluid management. And then we're going to need basic mechanics. Yeah. Yeah. That's 30. Yeah. Basic mechanics. And the winches. So we need 40. Excuse me. We need a total of 40 research points. So there's no way I'm going to have the fuel for that. So that means that I'm going to have to pause what I'm doing and get a fuel truck. And then I'll have to drive around and see if I can siphon fuel out of some of the gas stations on the map and bring them back so we can get the research points. So once we have those 40 research points, we'll then be ready to build our rig. Which is not bad because at 3,000 per research point, should be about another 120,000, which is not bad. So we should have close to 200,000, less the fuel, maybe 150,000, something like that. That'll be decent. That'll be a decent start. So that should get us the oil rig planted, and maybe we'll have some money to build a bigger rescue ship. I know I've got my rescue ship. It's going to take so much research before we can get into it. Ooh, was that a coyote? I want to bite me. So yeah. And we'll need fuel in the fuel truck to go and get fuel. And that's also going to be about 700 liters or so. Oh. Yeah, I think that'll do it for this one here. There's the hospital way over there. Yeah, it's coffee time now. Yeah, so I'll get back to base, and then I think that'll do it for this video. And then in the next video, we'll go over the truck. Oh no, that's right, bro. I'm waiting on the truck. I suppose we'll try it. We'll see how far it wants to go with the medium fuel bins on it. Medium fuel tank. I suppose now that I got pumps, I can create the custom fuel tanks. But I think don't know if I have access to the filter or whatever it is. The fluid thingamajiggery doohickey thing. I'll check. I'll check here. Come on, bunny hop. All right, so that was good. I thought you had to buy the property, but you don't. You don't have to buy the property. You just go there and build an oil rig and start drilling for oil. That's pretty cool. No paperwork, no nothing. All right, let's see here. Yes, I have the fluid port. Okay, so I can build, now that we have the pumps, I can build a custom tank. So that's probably what I'll do in the next one here. Is build a custom tank. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Very cool. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. It's awesome. You guys are rocking. What's this? A book. I hope you're learning a lot. I really hope in the upgrades we get to put some detailed stuff like this in our builds. That'd be cool. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Hope you're having fun. We are carrying on. Like I say, in the next video, we will get a fuel truck together and we'll try and find some fuel. And we need 40 research points, we have 11. So we need 39, 29 more to go. And we will be ready to drill for oil. That's going to be exciting. So thanks for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye for now.